Hey guys, welcome to Starrskye Art Studio's paint tutorial for the vintage truck Loads of Love. We are going to go ahead and be painting this gorgeous truck today. I just want to introduce you guys to some of the things that are coming in your kit. You're going to get a pre-sketched 8x10 canvas with the truck already sketched out on it. Your paints, white paint, red paint, blue paint, black paint, and silver paint. You are also going to be receiving 2 brushes, a flat brush and a round brush. And you are also going to need some water and a paper towel. We are going to go ahead and get started painting our body of our truck, or our chassis. I chose the color blue, but you guys can go ahead and choose any color you like. Of course, we have red available for you. You just want to kind of use your flat brush and stay within the lines, just like you're working on a coloring book. And you want to kind of get an even layer of paint all over the truck. It might take you a couple of tries. You might need to do 2 layers, but you can just go ahead and do as many layers as you need to. Also guys, this is a video. Please keep in mind, if we are going too fast for you, please feel free to hit the pause button at any moment. After you're all done painting your body of your truck, we're going to go ahead and start working on the wheels of the truck. And you're going to still use your flat brush, and you're going to just kind of paint like a donut shape, leaving a little hole still in the middle of our tires so that we can go ahead and paint hubcaps on there. You want to keep your flat brush really nice and even against the canvas to get a really good line. Right now, you're going to go in with the white, and we're going to use a technique called dry brushing. And you're going to be highlighting the areas of the truck that the sun touches, and this is going to really give it depth and really make it very vintage and weathered and give it that old look to the truck. And as mentioned before guys, if I am going too fast for you on the video, feel free to pause it so that you can really see where you really need to place these highlights. We're going to go ahead and place highlights where the sun would usually hit the truck, where the sun shines off of the truck. So the top of the door handle, the top of the hood, on the top of the wheel area. We're going to carve out the door. The top of the truck bed. And your blue should be dry, but not too dry. So that should be still a little bit wet so that that white will blend a little bit in there with it. And we do want to give thin layers. We don't want to lay it on thick. And now we're going to go in with our silver. We're going to go ahead and work on our hubcap area. Just take your thin round brush and dip it into your silver now. And paint that white inside of your wheel. And what we're also going to do with the silver is we're going to also go in with the window. So using that same brush, we're going to go ahead and paint the window of our truck. Give it a nice shine. And we're also going to use that silver for our door handle. So right over where you put that highlight for the door handle, put that silver in there. And now we're gonna start working on our back area with our cargo, which is our loads of love. And this is just loads of hearts. You guys can do tons and tons of hearts back there. This is where you can get creative. Do big hearts, little hearts, and place them wherever you like. I am using the round brush still because I think that gives you better control when you are doing the hearts. And remember guys, you can place them wherever you like. You do not have to do what I'm doing. I've got medium hearts, I've got large hearts, just placing them all around because that is what the truck is transporting, loads of love. If you guys wanted to go ahead and make some pink hearts, you can do some mixing actually on the canvas. With the red hearts that I just did, the paint was already still wet, so I went ahead and went in with my white paint right on top of it and mixed it directly on the canvas, and that gave me pink hearts. So if you want to add some pink in there or do some pink hearts, or just do pink colors in general, you guys can also do some mixing on the canvas. Here we're going to be adding some packages in the back of the truck. We're actually going to be adding some love packages and just some love letters back there that the truck's going to be transporting. I'm just drawing in some boxes with the black paint, and I'm going to be adding some platforms just to add some extra dimension for my boxes. And you guys can put boxes or love letters back there. Like I said, this is your truck, your vintage truck, your loads of love. So whatever you guys like, please get creative. I love when you guys get creative and use your imaginations. I added extra little mini hearts onto our packages, just like little extra love stamps on there. Just add some extra highlights onto the wheels by dipping your brush into the white. And I felt like we needed some more hearts, so I went in and I kept adding some more hearts. At this point, you are all done. It's just about finishing up and adding in those extra little details. I hope you guys enjoyed painting this truck with me. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy, and happy Valentine's Day.